Yo, what's going on today, guys? I'm a little tired right now, not gonna lie. It's 10 a.m. and we're on our way to eat breakfast. We haven't even changed from last night. Last night was just so crazy and so epic. But we're going to go eat breakfast and then we're going to the beach after that with Kelly and Francois. I can't wait to take y'all with me. I hope everybody has a great day. I love all of y'all. Let's get this day started. Yo, all right, so literally we just had breakfast. Oscar went home to go take a shower, get ready to go to the beach. Kelly and Francois should be here in about 30, 35, 40 minutes. And I'm just sitting here chilling, listening to music. I just want to tell everybody once again, I'm gonna tell y'all every video, thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting. I really do appreciate it. I love y'all so much. Keep smiling today. Let's get on with our day. You know what, y'all? We're about to talk about this again. Same thing I said at the airport. Why LA people always late? Always late. We're supposed to leave from the beach, from my house, at 12. It's 12:45. Kelly and Francois are late. Oscar's late for some reason. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix this. This ain't gonna happen. Who is this? Oh, it's Oscar. Let's see what Oscar has to say to us, guys. What's up, Oscar?
What are you doing, motherfucker?
Waiting for you late LA people.
I'm not late. I'm early. I was there this morning.
No, you're late. Oh, it failed. Uh-oh. That's not good.
Dude, you fucking scared me. Oh my god. She's in there. Dude. Fucking assholes.
She didn't get scared.
I got so scared. I got terrified.
You get scared of everything.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Yo, so we finally made it to the beach, guys. Yo, we're about to have so much fun today. Look at this. Look at the beach. Look at this. This is so beautiful. It's crazy. It's crazy beautiful, guys. I'm about to go swimming.
Hey, Bird's here.
I don't know about y'all.
Bird's
What's
here.
up, Oscar?
Hey. What's up, you two?
I got you a snack.
Oh,
That's yours.
really? Oh, here.
Bird with his friends.
Thanks.
Yeah, Bird brought the
Cool.
gang over here.
Thank you, bro.
Bird brought the gang.
Oh, we got watermelon, guys. Look at this. Look at this watermelon. Say hi, Kelly. Kelly's over here feeding the birds.
I'm trying to get a ticket from my mom.
Alright, I'm gonna walk towards the water
have
because
one?
Erin's getting very impatient. She's never seen the beach before.
I know, but I'm trying to get
Canadians have never seen the beach?
She's in Canada.
Canadians don't have beaches.
Dude, I'm Canadian.
They just have bitches.
They have bitches, not
They have
beaches.
bitches, not beaches.
Trying to say something about Erin?
Hey, sometimes.
I hope somebody get this if I feed it with my hands.
So, y'all aren't gonna eat this?
We have two watermelons.
Oh shit. Okay. Well, fuck. I'm gonna eat the fuck out of this shit.
Yeah, we got full house. Oh my goodness.
I mean.
Pink bird?
I mean, low key, I saw you drop this, but it's okay. I saw you drop it, but it's okay.
I'll look at the
Hey.
other one. We'll open the other one.
No, it's okay. I'm black, so I'll still eat it. It's okay.
I think it is.
Watermelon's watermelon.
Fried chicken, sorry.
Fried chicken and watermelon. What? Hey man, stop throwing bread at the stripper birds. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've changed. We were at the beach.
Alright,
It took us like 25 hours to get back from the beach because of traffic, and you know, LA people just can't drive, especially this guy right here. This guy cannot drive. This guy cannot drive at all.
I drive pretty good. Guys, like here,
Kelly's over here live streaming. Kelly's over here live streaming for KTFB.
Promo for all you.
Promo not.
Dude,
anyway,
I'm driving normal. Look.
I know.
You can show them what, like, what's the like just this? Like,
yo, chill.
It's not funny.
I apologize.
Yo, Kelly did not like that at all. So we're on our way to their house, so we can go to where we go, Hollywood Boulevard.
Yes, we're going to change our clothes real quick.
We're going to go change.
And
well,
then,
they're going to go change. I already changed.
Hollywood Boulevard.
And then we're going to Hollywood Boulevard.
Actually, before Hollywood Boulevard, we want to take another one.
So guys, I didn't want to torture y'all again and make y'all sit through another food vlog, but
In-N-Out food vlog.
I know, right? An In-N-Out food vlog is like the best.
I had taco salad.
But she had a taco salad. I don't know what she's doing. you disrespect In-N-Out by coming with Wendy's. Who does that?
It's good.
You cannot disrespect them.
I
like
used
that.
the spread from In-N-Out on my taco salad.
That's even more disrespect. Now you're disrespecting Wendy's.
Now you disrespected the spread.
Where are we going now?
Hollywood. Where's my wallet?
Oh,
I stole it.
Really?
she probably did.
I pawned it. Do you see the guy sitting behind us?
Hey, would you like to show what I'm wearing?
Oh, can I show y'all some more disrespect? Let me show you some more. So my friend and I are signed to Maker Studios, and he decides to come out.
What?
Turn around.
What?
With a full screen shirt on. Create. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this car model.
Dude.
Model for me.
If our network, Maker Studios, provided
Yeah.
like, hey, I can create.
That's so disrespectful.
You want to show them my laptop?
No, that's it. No, you might get your contract cut.
It might be that.
Yeah.
All right, Francois. So where are we?
Where are? Oh, I was looking at.
He was like,
I was looking at the fuzzy thing. I'm like, what's on your screen? I totally forgot.
I know. I was
We
thinking
are
it's like
at
some
Hollywood
stuff
Boulevard.
good.
all right, Hollywood
It's
Boulevard. So, what are we gonna see?
That
You're
thing.
gonna see
That thing.
Walk of Fame. You're gonna see a bunch of street performers
Okay.
if they're here.
Okay.
See a bunch of drunk people.
I love drunk people. Okay.
What?
They're the best people to give candy to. Halloween.
Really?
You're gonna see
There you go, so bro.
actors and impersonators.
So fake people.
Fake, yeah.
We're gonna see fake people who are trying to be other people.
You're gonna be Elvis,
Oh.
Michael Jackson,
Yeah.
Marilyn Monroe,
Marilyn Monroe. Who else?
Michael Jackson, Michael Jordan, sorry.
Michael Jordan. Who else?
Who else? The Gold The two cop girls from Top Gun. You know them? Is it Top Gun? They're like, they wear like, revealing clothes.
Ooh.
I'm trying to name everyone.
Oh man. Okay, so we're leaving Hollywood right now. And I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go play Cards Against Humanity.
Thank you for the magic wand.
That's what we're gonna do. Oh, what do those letters say? It says something on those letters that they're gonna put up right there.
What letter?
There's like some letters right there. Like, I guess it's the concert.
Like to the concert score?
Yeah. I can't read. Live, live, something.
Jimmy Kimmel Live then.
That? That don't say Jimmy Kimmel Live right there.
Where?
Those letters on the ground.
Oh.
You gotta look. Yeah, this is my concert, guys. Everybody come see.
What is this for? Live for it?
I don't know.
He said he just don't be.
Monday and Tuesday.
All right, guys. I know it's abrupt. I know it's like not the ending that I wanted to do. Kelly and Francois left. I think Oscar's coming over. I don't know yet. I'm like freaking out. I hate staying places by myself, especially big places. It just freaks me out. I'm really glad I have really good friends that are willing to stay with me no matter what. I don't know. I just have anxiety, especially being so far away from home. I don't know. I just have anxiety and I just can't. So luckily he's gonna come over and, you know, probably stay here. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll post another vlog. I really do love you guys. I want y'all to keep smiling. I want y'all to love each other. Tell everybody you love them, because I love y'all. Deuce.